careful with that dragon.
It's not the dragon I'm worried about.
What are you gonna do?
Put an end to this. I have to try. Astrid, if something goes wrong, just make sure they don't find Toothless.
I will. Just promise me it won't go wrong.
It's time, Hiccup. Knock him dead.
Now they're going for the hammer.
I'm ready.
What is he doing?
Hey, it's okay. It's okay. I'm not one of them.
What's he thinking? Stop the fight.
No! I need you all to see this. They're not what we think they are. We don't have to kill them.
I said stop the fight! Out of my way!
Fury!
Alright, Toothless, go. Get out of here.
Go, go! No, Dad! Dad, he won't hurt you! Don't make it! Toothless, stop! No! No!
Get it!
Oh, no, please, just don't hurt him! Please don't hurt him.
Put it with the others.